Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a pool, you know that keeping it clean is no small task. But the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best pool brushes that will help you keep your pool sparkling clean all season long. Whether you're dealing with tough algae or just regular maintenance, we've got the perfect brush for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Lalapool Professional Pool Brush. The Lalapool Swimming Pool Brush is our top pick because it is durable, effective, and easy to maneuver. We tested this durable brush for several months in our own pool and found it particularly useful for removing algae and chemical buildup, such as chlorine and sunscreen. From our pool walls, we think this is an essential tool that will last us for several seasons. Like many of the options we choose on this list, this brush measures 18 inches wide, allowing you to cover a larger area per sweep. We found that its curved edges make it easy to get into corners and other tight spots. Plus, the metal handle is angled at 45 degrees, which makes the brush easy to push along the pool floor. We also liked the brush's densely packed nylon bristles, which help to remove stubborn dirt or algae on pool walls and floors and are safe for any type of pool surface. It's important to note that this brush head doesn't come with a pole, which means you'll have to purchase one separately. The good news is it's compatible with most standard-size pool poles and attaches with a simple snap. The brush structure is reinforced with aluminum and ABS plastic for sturdiness and durability. At number 4, we have the Wall Whale Classic Swimming Pool Brush. True to its name, the Wall Whale Pool Brush has an innovative design that effectively cleans walls. It's equipped with a tail that pushes the brush against the wall with 10 times more force, allowing you to remove tough dirt and algae with each pass. Since the tail does the hard work for you, there is no need for strenuous pushing or scrubbing. In fact, according to the manufacturer, you can brush an average-sized pool almost effortlessly with one hand in about 5 minutes. This brush measures 18 inches wide, and thanks to slightly curved edges, you can clean and get into corners with ease. It has nylon bristles, which are durable yet gentle enough to use on any pool liner. However, the metal reinforcement can rust, which can cause the bristles to discolor. To prevent corrosion, we recommend rinsing the brush after each use and storing it in a dry area. Also, while this brush head does not come with a pole, it attaches to most standard pool poles. Coming in at number 3 is a Holikme Deep Cleaning Brush Set. This affordably priced set offers brushes in a variety of shapes and sizes to clean all the nooks and crannies of your pool. 2 scrub brushes, a tile lines brush, a scouring pad brush, and 3 groove gap brushes. The scrub brush has an ergonomic design that allows you to comfortably grip the handle while tackling stubborn stains. The long, narrow brush is ideal for cleaning corners, tile, and the ground in between. The scouring pad brush is ideal for cleaning any stainless steel fixtures in or around your pool, such as handrails or a fountain. The groove gap brush has 2 heads to tackle stubborn stains in tight areas and crevices. Keep in mind that all of these brushes are handheld, which means they will require more elbow grease than most brushes that are attached to poles. And while the Holikme brush set comes in handy for deep cleaning small pools and spas, the biggest brush head is only 5 inches long, so it's not a good option for cleaning large areas. At number 2, we have the AgiiMan Swimming Pool Brush with Pole. While many pool brushes require you to purchase a pole separately, the AgiiMan Pool Brush has a telescoping pole for optimal reach. With this versatile tool, you can clean even the deepest parts of your pool. Depending on your needs, you can choose between a 12.3 or 16-foot pole, and an additional extension rod allows you to adjust the pole to your preferred length. The telescopic pole is easy to attach and detach thanks to clip buttons on the brush head handle that prevent finger injuries. We also like that the pool pole is retractable, so it's easy to store. This heavy-duty pool brush has an 18-inch brush head that is adjustable from 0 to 90 degrees. This, combined with its curved edges, provides better access to all corners of your swimming pool. This brush features 2 holes in the middle of the handle that drain water and prevent a siphon effect, making it easier to push. Although the pole is made from aluminum, it's not as sturdy as other options and may need to eventually be replaced if used too rigorously. And finally, our top pick at number 1 is the Aquatix Pro Heavy Duty Pool Brush. The Aquatix Pro features tough stainless steel bristles that are designed to remove stubborn stains and dirt from concrete and other hard surfaces. It measures 18 inches wide and has curved edges for better reach into tight corners. Since the bristles are so stiff, it does take more effort to push this brush along pool surfaces. While some brushes are prone to corrosion, the Aquatix Pro has a rust-proof aluminum plate and pole attachment for optimal strength and durability. It's important to note that a pole is not included, but the included clips make it easy to attach to any standard pool pole. And there you have it, our top 5 best pool brushes. With any of these options, you'll be well equipped to keep your pool looking its best. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more pool maintenance tips and reviews.